Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my Best Top 5 Produce Drone Video Review. Number 1. iFlight Nazvil DC5 EC0046S HD FPV. Experience next-level flying performance with the iFlight Nazvil DC5 EC0046S HD FPV. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists. This drone features powerful brushless motors, durable carbon fiber construction, and an HD FPV camera that delivers crisp, real-time aerial footage. Its 6S battery system ensures superior power and flight stability, perfect for freestyle flying or cinematic shots. Built for reliability and precision, the Nazvil DC5 EC004 is your go-to drone for dynamic aerial adventures. Number 2. For Xiaomi V88 Drone 8K 5G GPS. Capture the world in incredible detail with the for Xiaomi V88 Drone 8K 5G GPS. Equipped with an ultra-high-definition 8K camera, this drone provides smooth, crystal-clear aerial visuals. The integrated 5G Wi-Fi ensures fast transmission and low latency, while the advanced GPS system offers accurate positioning, auto-return, and intelligent flight modes. Ideal for travel photography and professional video work, the V88 drone redefines precision and stability in every flight. Number 3. Mijia S2S 8K Drone 5G GPS Professional HD. The Mijia S2S 8K Drone 5G GPS Professional HD brings powerful flight performance and professional-grade imaging together. Featuring a cutting-edge 8K HD camera, this drone captures breathtaking aerial shots with clarity and color accuracy. The 5G real-time transmission ensures lag-free control, while the GPS-assisted flight system enables intelligent tracking, waypoint flying, and one-key return. Compact, smart, and reliable, the Mijia S2S is the perfect drone for professional aerial creators. Number 4. New S2S Mini Drone Professional 8K HD Camera Fly. Compact yet powerful, the new S2S Mini Drone Professional 8K HD Camera Fly delivers exceptional performance in a portable design. With its 8K HD camera and advanced flight stability system, you can record smooth, high-resolution footage from any angle. The drone supports gesture control, smart follow, and auto-hover features for easy, hands-free operation. Lightweight, foldable, and beginner-friendly, it's the perfect drone for travelers and aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 5. 2025 New GT5 Brushless. Introducing the 2025 New GT5 Brushless, a powerful FPV drone built for speed, precision, and endurance. Powered by efficient brushless motors, it delivers unmatched thrust and smooth control during flight. Its durable frame and aerodynamic design provide excellent stability even at high speeds. Ideal for both racing and freestyle flying, the GT5 offers high performance with minimal maintenance. Take your flying experience to new heights with this cutting-edge 2025 GT5 model. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.